Here in the Miami Valley, people in Clark County are adopting teachers and donating items from the wish list to help them prepare for the upcoming school year. But that group was recently told it violates district policy. 2 News reporter Leah Williamson is digging deeper into how the teachers are avoiding violating the contracts.
A crowdfunding campaign to support Clark County teachers now has more than 1,000 members participating, but they've hit a small bump in the road. Springfield City School District officials say it doesn't align with a district policy for crowdfunding. The Adopt a Clark County Teacher Facebook page was created last week to help local teachers preparing for the toughest school year yet.
And the teachers already spend a crap load of money throughout the year on our children. Now this year they just tacked on Clorox wipes, hand sanitizer.
But in 2018, the Ohio Auditor's office said in a report, crowdfunding could be a legal risk for teachers and school districts. This is why Springfield City Schools has a policy for crowdfunding to protect teachers and the district from violating their employee contracts or the Ohio Licensure Code of Professional Conduct. The Facebook group organizer says they simply want to give back to teachers.
And if we don't buy that as a community, these teachers are going to get it regardless. So if we can step in and, and at least try to alleviate that cost on them, then we're happy to do it.
And since people already donated to almost 100 teachers, the school district worked to create a one-time compromise. Any teacher or staff who received a gift must write a thank you note, record the approximate value of the donation, and request that donations be sent to the school instead of their personal address. Adopt a Teacher will continue with the new rules and the policy in mind.
I get where they're coming from. I'm not upset by it, and I don't really think the teachers are either.
The Ohio Auditor's office is encouraging all other school districts to adopt similar policies, so it's best to check with district officials before starting a similar campaign. In Springfield, Donor Choose is the only approved vendor for crowdfunding. In Springfield, Leah Williamson, 2 News, working for you.